In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your domain for emails at Hostinger. Hostinger offers two email services, and the setup is very similar for both. You might be using Hostinger email or Titan email. To quickly check which one you have, open your hPanel and head to the email section. Next to your email address, you'll see either the Titan logo or a simple envelope icon. The Titan logo means you're on Titan email, and the envelope indicates Hostinger email. Feel free to skip ahead mentally to the part that matches your service, but I'll walk through both so you're covered. If you're setting up Titan email, once email hosting is active for your domain, you'll need to adjust a few DNS settings. Where you make these changes depends on your domain's name servers. If your domain points to Hostinger name servers, open hPanel, go to DNS Zone Editor, and work right there. If your domain uses external name servers, you'll make the changes at that provider instead. Inside the DNS Zone Editor at Hostinger, sort your records by type and look for any existing MX records. Remove old or conflicting MX entries so they don't interfere with the new ones. Next, add the Titan email MX records, then add the required TXT records for verification and email authentication. The exact values are available in Hostinger's documentation, usually linked in the video description or your hPanel. After saving, allow DNS propagation, which can take up to 24 hours. Once propagation completes, verify your domain in Titan email, and you'll be ready to send and receive. If you're using Hostinger email, the process is just as straightforward. If your domain already points to Hostinger name servers, the necessary DNS records are added automatically. No manual steps needed. If your domain uses external name servers like Cloudflare, you'll copy the records from hPanel to your DNS provider. In hPanel, open email, select the mailbox you're setting up, and go to the DNS settings tab. You'll see the exact X, SPF, and DKIM records required, plus a handy Verify DNS button to check your setup. Now switch to your DNS provider. In Cloudflare, for example, open the DNS section and click Add Record. Choose the record type, paste the host and value from hPanel, and save. Repeat for each record. Leave TTL at default unless you have a reason to change it, and make sure MX records aren't proxied. After that, wait for DNS propagation, again up to 24 hours, then return to hPanel and use Verify DNS. That's it for setting up your domain for emails at Hostinger. If this walkthrough helped, consider subscribing for more web hosting tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your online journey.